First, the structural principle. The basic principles of welding gantry is 1. The 2H beam welding of 45 degrees both position is placed in the rail measured workpiece holder. 2. Gantry on rails to the adjusted welding speed traveling. 3. Using 2 submerged arc welding machine weld 2 seams simultaneously. 4. The automatic arc tracking welding guiding rack. 5. The automatic transmission flux recovery. Gantry welding by the traveling beam, column, top platform, welding arm and carriage mechanism, seam tracking device, wire feeder, wire spool holder, flux recovery systems, electronic control systems, submerged arc welding power supply and other components. Traveling beams, columns. The platform constitutes the framework gantry. 2 traveling beams have a motor reducer drive, constitute a 2-drive system. So smooth and reliable operation there on the platform front and rack rails. Allows welding arm and carriage move. The table can be placed 2 wire spools and flux recovery unit. Welding arm to perform welding work is the main component of it. It can work together on the one hand on the rail with the carriage on the platform translation. One can also make a lift move on the carriage of guide wheel. Seam tracking device installed in the bottom of the horn, it can automatically track the weld. The weld torch makes keeping an appropriate distance, which means when the steel for less deformation and placed neatly with automatic compensation. Wire feeder mounted in the arc guiding device, through a wire tube wire feeder